What are the health benefits of raw unfiltered honey? Raw unfiltered honey is a honey that is not pasteurized, it's not heated, and it's not filtered. So it does have the pollen, and this combination together has very high health benefits. It has high amino acids. These are the building blocks of proteins. It has high vitamins, high minerals, high trace minerals. It has antimicrobial properties, anti-inflammatory properties, and antioxidant properties. And because of all these properties, it is a digestive health. It is a very nice skin care product, and also it for wound healing is very important. And what it does, it actually also helps with sleep. It helps with longevity. It boosts your immunity. So it also has been used traditionally for gingivitis or for acne or for stomach ulcer, and all of these has to do with its antimicrobial properties that this raw unfiltered honey has. Also, when you have pollen in this honey, it helps, if it's a local raw unfiltered honey, it helps with the seasonal allergy, to reduce the seasonal allergy if you consume it in moderation every day. So when you go to the grocery stores, make sure you look for raw unfiltered honey. Best would be to go to farmers market and buy local honey that is raw and is unfiltered.